Little update on my new little bannies. I have 2 little hens and 1 rooster. The other 2 roosters went in another coop just so there wasn't competition because there's so few hens. But they're doing. What you doing, Jasmine? What you doing, Jasmine? You're silly. Miss Magnolia just came back in today from spending 3 days with the buck. So hopefully we will have babies in late March. Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah. This little girl gets milked every day, and she's given a quart every day since she had her babies January 27th. I dried Magnolia off about a month ago. My little babies, they're all doing good. I think a bunch of them are going to be frizzles. So you notice the ones that have wings. This one right there that are kind of flared out. This one. That one. Can't really tell on the dark ones yet.